hearts isn't golden, it's surely a grave.
Lower your voice, yeah, treat me like the wrong, while the world burns out to a corporate song. Factories rising to choke the sky black, rich getting fat while we starve in the back. They draw the lines and they build the walls, but they're nowhere to be found when the hammer falls. You ask why so loud, scream it out proud. Silence is a shackle that will not be allowed. Rage rock for the broken hands with nothing to show, for the innocent ones that you buried below. Rage rock when the pills cost more than the money for rent, and the war machine goes where the oil is sent. You steal the future, we will take it back. They sell us dreams in 30-second scripts, but the water is poison on the sinking ships. Distract the masses with a shiny new screen, so nobody looks at the ugly machine. Wars for profit, traded lives for gold. Sold out your soul before you even got old. Ask why is he angry, man? Look around, you're praising the kings while they burn down the town. You ask why so loud, I scream it out proud. Silence is a shackle that will not be allowed. Raise rock for the broken hands with nothing to show, for the innocent ones that you buried below. Raise rock when the pills cost more than the money for rent, and the war machine goes where the oil is set. Your stock goes up, our blood flows down. Wanna know why the music's loud? Because the quiet is just the sound of the wolves at the door, of the rich waging war. They tell you to whisper, I tell you to scream, They sold you a nightmare and called it a dream. No more waiting for the table scraps, we're breaking the teeth of your steel traps. The suit and tie is a camouflage vest, put the profit to the side, put the breed to the rest. You can feed us lies, you're gonna eat the truth. Rise rock for the broken hands with nothing to show, for the innocent ones that you buried below. Rise rock when the bills cost more than the money for rent, and the war machine goes where the oil is set. Yeah, I'm angry, I'm the echo of the end.